Chapter 27. Exposed. Toravan. I can explain, she says, her voice steadier than it probably should be. I have good reasons. So this is the secret. This is what Valterre wanted me to know. He knew. He knew Caleb wasn't who he appeared to be. I kissed Caleb. I was falling harder than I ever should have. Had that been her intent? Had she tried to seduce me? Was it all calculated? The rage is building in me, and I don't try to stop it, because it's easier, far easier, than dealing with the screaming maw that's also opening inside of me. Failure. I am always a failure, even at this. I think I was starting to love this man, who doesn't exist. I shove myself to my feet, and she rises too. Then we hear shouts. Toravan, Valterre, and Sire, Your Majesty, my guards, who all, in the end, fled the courtyard. Or, no, Caleb, whatever her name is, built the hedge wall she'd put behind us into a barrier that fully surrounds us now. It sits between us and the rest of the courtyard. The space I'm in now is much, much smaller than it had been. But there's still an opening, a way out. The woman's lips are parted as she stares up at me, hair tangled around her face, part defiant, part terrified. Then she takes a breath, and she's Caleb again, the man who stood beside me in the storm, our magic intertwined, working in the most synchronous rhythm I've ever felt in my life. I feel dizzy. I think I'm going to be sick, but I plant my feet and stand firm and command my stomach to stay where it belongs. Valterre finds the entrance first, racing inside this new, smaller courtyard. He stops, panting, hands on his knees. "Oh, thank the summer gods," he says. "Tor, Caleb." He stops, looking between us. Then, as the guards burst in, he yells, "Back! It's private!" One of the guards looks to me. "Your Majesty." "Out!" I manage on a tight throat. Valterre approaches. "You're both injured." He looks behind him at the retreating guards, makes a tense shrug. "Let me see the cuts." I hold up a hand to block his. I can't muster words to protest, but I know if his elemental magic is discovered by the court, he will lose standing. His family will lose much. He's hid his elemental magic, even from his father, though I know he's been more reckless of late, healing people he knows. I don't know why he's so reckless. I don't know why he hasn't told me. "Just wait. I'll see the palace physicians." "For God's sakes, Tor," Valterre hisses. "I'm right here. We'll say it's an illusion to calm the people down if anyone sees. Caleb is a weaver. So are you, for that matter. And most people know that now too. And I know of at least 3 other elementalists among the high nobles. We're not as rare a thing as you think. It doesn't have to be me who healed you. And I'm getting tired of not helping when I clearly have the ability to." He shudders. He's hyperventilating in his own way, and I'm letting him fill the silence, my ears ringing still from the absence of wind. Valterre shoves my hand away and presses his to my face. His brow knits, and I barely feel the sting as a cut I didn't know I had heals over. He moves to Caleb and presses a hand to his face too, but Caleb's soft brown eyes are on me as Valtaire concentrates on closing the cuts. I try to look for the little things, the obvious signs that he isn't, in fact, a man. But I don't see them. I just see Caleb. I watch Caleb for any sign that the injuries were an illusion, too. But whatever is going on, it's seamless. And I'd seen the same cuts on her face, too. I watch them close now. ...